Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing 30 genius precision joinery woodworking tools for perfect seamless seams. From advanced marking and measuring tools to innovative joinery systems and cutting solutions, these tools help woodworkers achieve flawless fits, tighter joints, and professional quality results. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned craftsman, these precision tools will take your woodworking projects to the next level. Let's get started. Domino Joiner. The Festool DF500 Domino Joiner is a premium woodworking tool that creates exceptionally strong and precise loose tenon joints for furniture, cabinetry, and interior woodworking projects. Its patented oscillating cutter action mills clean, accurate mortises quickly, while reducing heat buildup and extending cutter life. With adjustable mortise widths, multiple depth settings, and an easy-to-use angle fence, it delivers outstanding versatility and accuracy. Combined with Festool Domino tenons and effective dust extraction, the DF500 provides fast assembly, superior alignment, and professional-grade joint strength. Dovetail Jig. The Leigh D4R Pro Dovetail Jig is a professional-grade woodworking system designed to create precise, customizable dovetail, box, and sliding dovetail joints. Its infinitely adjustable guide fingers allow woodworkers to vary joint spacing for a handcrafted appearance and perfect board alignment. Capable of handling stock up to 24 inches wide, it offers exceptional versatility for furniture, drawers, cabinets, and decorative boxes. Combined with a router and Leigh's e-bushing system, the D4R Pro delivers outstanding accuracy, flexibility, and strong, attractive joinery results. Pocket Hole Jig. The Kreg K5 Pocket Hole Jig is a versatile woodworking tool designed to create strong, accurate pocket hole joints quickly and efficiently. Its front-mounted clamping handle and ratcheting adjustment system make setup fast and convenient for different material thicknesses. Featuring a durable hardened steel drill guide, removable guide block, integrated storage wings, and dust collection port, it is ideal for furniture building, cabinetry, and home improvement projects. The K5 delivers reliable results, faster assembly, and professional quality joinery for both DIYers and experienced woodworkers. Biscuit Joiner. The DeWalt DW68 2K Biscuit Joiner is a powerful and reliable woodworking tool designed for creating accurate biscuit joints in furniture, cabinetry, and panel glue-ups. Driven by a 6.5 amp motor, it cuts clean slots quickly and consistently. Its precision rack and pinion fence system maintains perfect alignment during adjustments, while multiple depth settings accommodate standard biscuit sizes. Built with a durable aluminum fence, anti-slip pins, and efficient dust collection, the DW682K delivers strong, well-aligned joints and dependable performance for both professionals and serious DIY woodworkers. Combination Square. The Starrett C11H-12-4R Combination Square is a premium precision measuring and layout tool trusted by machinists, woodworkers, and craftsmen worldwide. Featuring a hardened steel 12-inch blade and a durable cast iron head, it delivers exceptional accuracy for marking, measuring, and checking squareness. The versatile 4R graduations provide clear readings down to 1/64 inch, while the integrated spirit level and removable scriber add functionality. Built to exacting standards, this combination square offers long-lasting reliability and professional-grade precision for demanding workshop tasks. Shoulder plane. The Lie-Nielsen number 73. Shoulder plane is a premium hand tool crafted for precise joinery work, including trimming tenon shoulders, refining rabbets, and cleaning dados. Built from durable ductile iron with a polished bronze lever cap, it offers exceptional balance, stability, and control. Its low-angle A2 tool steel blade delivers clean, accurate cuts with minimal chatter, even on difficult end grain. Designed for professional woodworkers and enthusiasts alike, the number 73 provides outstanding precision, durability, and heirloom-quality craftsmanship. Tenoning Jig. The Rockler. Heavy-duty tenoning jig is a precision table saw accessory designed to produce accurate tenons, lap joints, splines, and other joinery cuts with exceptional safety and repeatability. Its robust cast iron construction provides stability, while the adjustable clamping system securely holds stock in a vertical position. A built-in micro-adjustment mechanism allows fine-tuning for perfect joint fit, and the tilting fence supports angled cuts up to 45 degrees. Ideal for furniture and cabinet making, it delivers professional quality joinery with consistent results. Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg MortiseMate. Loose Tenon Jig is a versatile joinery system that allows woodworkers to create strong, accurate loose tenon joints using a standard handheld drill. Designed as an affordable alternative to dedicated mortising machines, it features an innovative auto-indexing mechanism that gradually advances the cutter for smooth, controlled mortise creation. Built from durable aluminum and stainless steel, the jig offers adjustable mortise widths, precise alignment, and dust collection compatibility. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and frame construction, it delivers reliable, professional quality joinery. Biscuit Joiner Tool. The Ecarke Cordless Biscuit Joiner Tool is a portable and affordable joinery solution designed for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyist woodworkers. Powered by compatible 18-volt Makita-style batteries, it delivers cordless convenience and reliable performance with an 11,000 revolutions per minute motor. Adjustable depth settings and a tilting fence allow accurate biscuit slot cutting for panel alignment, cabinet assembly, and furniture projects. Its lightweight design, quick blade access, and included starter accessories make it a practical choice for workshops and on-site woodworking tasks requiring mobility and flexibility. Pocket hole clamp. The Maxpower 12.5-inch pocket hole clamp is a heavy-duty assembly tool designed to keep woodworking joints perfectly aligned during pocket hole construction. Built from durable chrome vanadium steel, it features a specialized pin and pad clamping system that securely holds boards flush at 90-degree angles while screws are driven. Its deep 4-inch throat capacity accommodates large work pieces, while ergonomic grips and a quick release mechanism enhance comfort and efficiency. Ideal for cabinetry, face frames, and furniture projects, it provides strong, reliable clamping and professional quality assembly results. Ball Gouge. The Arbortech Ball. Gouge is a 30mm spherical power carving attachment designed for 4.5-inch and 5-inch angle grinders. It works like a power spoon gouge, making fast, smooth hollowing and freehand shaping of concave surfaces. Its anti-grab design improves control and safety, while the self-sharpening ring blade stays sharp during use. Perfect for bowls, spoons, sculptures, and textured wood effects. It delivers precise, creative carving with professional level finish and reduced risk of kickback or digging. Benchtop Router Table. The Rockler Convertible. Benchtop Router Table is a compact, space-saving solution designed for small workshops and mobile woodworking setups. Its innovative 4-mode system allows it to function as a benchtop table, wall-mounted station, freehand routing base, or fold-flat storage unit for easy transport. Built with a durable melamine-coated MDF top and aluminum fence, it offers precision, stability, and dust control. Compatible with compact and mid-sized fixed-base routers, it's ideal for versatile DIY and pro routing tasks. Precision Mitre Gauge. The Hongdui Precision Mitre Gauges are premium woodworking tools designed for ultra-accurate crosscuts and repeatable angles. Featuring a patented crown gear locking system, they deliver positive stops at every degree for maximum precision. Models like the HD-TB01 include 140 locking angles, CNC machine components, and anti-slop miter bars for smooth, stable movement. The HD-MG21 adds a telescoping fence, micro-adjustable flipstop, and dual metric imperial scales, making it ideal for professional and DIY workshops. Pipe clamps, Bessey H style. Pipe clamps are heavy-duty woodworking clamps that convert standard black iron pipes into powerful adjustable clamping systems for glue-ups and assemblies. Their unique H-shaped base provides dual-axis stability, preventing tipping and keeping the clamp steady on the workbench. A high-clearance design protects your knuckles while tightening, while the quick-adjust clutch mechanism allows fast, one-handed positioning. Built with durable cast jaws, smooth Acme threaded spindles, and protective pads, they deliver strong, reliable pressure for professional quality woodworking projects. Wood Organizer Rack. The Bora Wood Organizer Rack is a heavy-duty wall-mounted storage system designed to help you reclaim valuable workshop space by storing lumber, pipes, molding, and long materials vertically. Built from 1-inch powder-coated steel tubing, it offers excellent strength for both indoor and outdoor use. Available in multiple configurations like 6-tier, 4-tier, and 3-tier models, it can hold up to 660 pounds, depending on the setup. Each shelf supports up to 110 pounds, making it a reliable and space-saving solution for any serious woodworking shop.
Kreg Inline Clamp. The Kreg Inline Clamp, KBCIC, is a compact side-pressing clamp designed to hold workpieces firmly to a workbench without obstructing the top surface. It fits into standard 3/4 inch or 20mm bench dog holes, making it compatible with Kreg benches, MFT tables, and other work surfaces. Offering up to 250 pounds of clamping force and 360-degree swivel action, it ensures strong, versatile positioning. Its 4 3/4 inch adjustment range, low-profile 1/2 inch shoe, and V-notch design make it ideal for flat panels, mitered corners, and round edges. Built with a durable polymer body and steel push rod, it's perfect for sanding, routing, or finishing projects. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge, model 6957000, is a precision measuring and transfer tool ideal for achieving accurate mitre cuts, especially with irregular wall angles. Designed for both DIY users and professionals, it simplifies flooring, trim, and moulding projects. The gauge automatically determines the correct mitre angle, measures both internal and external angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees, and securely locks using an eccentric lever. Integrated magnets enable effortless alignment with a mitre saw blade, while telescopic calipers allow measurement of outer corners. Lightweight yet durable, it also includes a foldable stop for marking and transferring angles directly onto the workpiece. Hedgehog Push Block. The Hedgehog Push Block is a premium woodworking safety accessory engineered for precision, comfort, and control when working with table saws, jointers, and router tables. Constructed from glass fibre reinforced DuPont nylon, it offers durability and impact resistance. The non-marring neoprene grip ensures secure contact with the workpiece without damaging its surface. Its ergonomic angled handle and offset design enhance safety by keeping hands farther from the blade. The slim 3/8 inch profile allows safe, accurate thin rips, while the 1/4 inch rear heel maintains steady feed pressure. Non-conductive materials make it saw stop compatible, ensuring safe, reliable performance for any woodworking setup. Ework Bench Dog Clamps. The Ework Bench Dog Clamps are versatile, quick-action hold-down clamps designed for workbenches with 3/4 inch or 20mm dog holes. Built from high-strength nylon and 45-pound steel, they provide durability, strength, and reliability for woodworking projects. With up to 155 pounds of clamping force and an adjustable range of 4.8 inches, they securely hold workpieces of various thicknesses. The rubber protection pads prevent surface damage, while the patented quick clamp and release system ensures effortless operation. Their low-profile design keeps the workspace clear, making them ideal for sanding, routing, or finishing tasks on MFT tables and standard woodworking benches. Virutex cutting machine RZ270S. The Virutex RZ270S cutting machine is a professional-grade electric tool designed for precision trimming of doors, frames, baseboards, and skirtings without removal. Ideal for flooring installers, it enables clean, uniform cuts to fit new flooring such as laminate, parquet, or tile. Powered by a robust 1,300 watt motor, it delivers a high 5,000 revolutions per minute speed for fast and accurate cutting. With adjustable depth 0 to 47mm and height 8 to 35mm, it ensures perfect alignment and finish. Features like soft start, double insulation, and dust collection enhance safety and convenience. Compact and portable, it comes complete with a carbide blade and carry case. Woodraphic Professional Dual Function Vernier Calipers for measuring and marking. The Woodraphic Professional Dual Function Vernier calipers combine precision measuring and accurate marking in one innovative tool. Designed for woodworkers, this 5-in-1 instrument can measure depth, width, and angles, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, draw parallel lines, and serve as a ruler. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it features high-precision machining, a durable black anodized finish, and laser-etched white markings for superior readability. The smooth sliding vernier scale offers accuracy up to 0.05mm with minimal parallax. Lightweight and ergonomic, it includes a removable depth gauge and a T-square function, making it ideal for detailed woodworking and precision layout tasks. Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks. The Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks are precision-engineered setup tools designed to help woodworkers achieve exact measurements and machine adjustments. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum or stainless steel, these blocks are accurate to within 0.001 inches, ensuring exceptional flatness and squareness. Their red anodized finish enhances durability and visibility, while laser-etched markings provide easy reading. Ideal for setting blade heights, fence positions, and router bit depths, the blocks can be stacked for custom dimensions. Available in standard, 3D, adjustable, and stainless steel one-time tool versions, each set includes protective storage, making them indispensable for precise, repeatable woodworking setups and professional quality craftsmanship. Going Make Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. The Going Make Thin Rip Jig is a precision table saw accessory designed for cutting identical, narrow wood strips safely and efficiently. Built from CNC machined aluminum alloy, it offers superior durability and accuracy. Its one-way roller bearing ensures smooth forward motion while preventing dangerous kickback, enhancing safety during thin cuts. The laser engraved scales in both inches and millimeters allow for precise adjustments, enabling strips as thin as 1/32 inch. The jig's zero clearance setup eliminates blade offset errors. Compatible with most table saws, band saws, and router tables, it includes multiple Mitre slot adapters, making it a versatile tool for fine woodworking. Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table. The Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table is an innovative accessory that transforms any standard handheld jigsaw into a stable, stationary cutting tool. It enables precise, controlled cuts by allowing users to move the workpiece instead of the saw, improving accuracy and safety. The table's galvanized steel surface ensures durability, while two strong clamps provide secure attachment to a workbench. Its inverted setup offers a clear view of the cutting line and minimizes splintering on the top surface. With a universal fit for most jigsaws, parallel guide support, and compact portability, this table is ideal for straight, circular, or freehand cutting tasks. Block-Scission Setup. Blocks Woodworking Tools. The Block-Scission Setup. Blocks. Woodworking tools are precision-machined aluminum gauge blocks, designed to provide quick and accurate setup for woodworking machinery. Built from solid, dent-resistant aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, these blocks resist corrosion and wear. Each bar features laser-engraved ruler markings for easy reading and reliable accuracy within plus or minus 0.001 inch. Their stackable design allows users to combine blocks for hundreds of measurement options, ensuring precise blade, bit, and fence adjustments. Available in 8, 15, and 16-piece sets, they come neatly organized in a durable storage case, making them ideal for use with table saws, routers, and drill presses. Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle. The Wolfcraft 3D Mitre Angle, Model 520800, is a versatile measuring and marking tool designed for precise work on three-dimensional materials such as beams, pipes, and timbers. Made in Europe from durable, high-quality plastic, it offers built-in stops for 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles, a continuous 0 to 90 degrees scale, and an integrated drill gauge. Its unique rectangular design enables accurate marking around corners and parallel line drawing. Ideal for woodworking, trim work, and framing, this compact tool, 275 by 150 by 66 millimeters, ensures precision, efficiency, and convenience in any workshop or job site setting. Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table. The Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table is a versatile attachment that transforms your Dremel rotary tool into a precision bench-mounted shaper. Ideal for light-duty woodworking, it excels at sanding, trimming, grooving, and shaping edges on small projects. Its adjustable fence and cutting depth allow for consistent, accurate results, while the smooth 8-inch by 6-inch work table provides excellent control. Compatible with most Dremel models, the 231 is easy to mount and simple to use, making it perfect for hobbyists, model makers, and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision shaping without the bulk of a full-size router setup. Woodpeckers Rabbit Gauges. The Woodpeckers Rabbit Gauge set is a precision-engineered layout and setup tool designed for woodworkers who demand accuracy when cutting rabbets, dados, and grooves. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, each of the 3 blocks features 4 stepped edges, providing 12 precise measurements from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch. These gauges eliminate guesswork by allowing exact setup of router bits, dado blades, and fences. The signature red anodized finish ensures durability, reduces friction, and enhances visibility in the workshop. Ideal for layout marking or machine setup, these gauges offer exceptional accuracy and consistency, making them an indispensable addition to any precision woodworking setup. Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge. The Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge, model number 53310, is a high-performance upgrade for table saws, band saws, and router tables, delivering exceptional accuracy and stability. Its aluminum head offers a clear, easy-to-read scale from 0 degrees to 70 degrees in both directions, with precision machine detents at common angles for quick, reliable settings. The 18-inch steel mitre bar includes adjustable nylon screws to remove play for smooth operation. Ergonomic handles enhance comfort and control, while built-in fence mounting options allow easy customization. Designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use, this mitre gauge ensures consistent, repeatable cuts for professional quality woodworking results. Milescraft 4016 Bench Lock. The Milescraft 4016 Bench Lock is a versatile and durable workbench accessory that transforms compatible bench clamps into a flexible bench dog clamping system. Designed for workbenches with 3/4 inch, 19mm, or 20mm holes, it installs quickly without tools and provides a secure hold for various projects. The 360-degree rotating base offers maximum flexibility, while the built-in V-groove enables precise clamping of corners and round materials. Compatible with Milescraft and other popular clamp brands, the bench lock features sturdy ABS construction and a steel threaded rod. Ideal for pocket hole assembly and general woodworking, it enhances stability, versatility, and efficiency on any workbench.